Hi guys! For this video, isi-share ko lang po yung nilakad ko bago mag-Chinese New Year. Holiday po kasi yan eh. So, Friday. So, pumunta po ako ng Green Glorieta to Activity Center. So, may lakad din po kasi ako niyan dahil mag-SIM replacement ako. At the same time, nag-join ako, nag-register ako sa project ng Makati. Tourism with partnership of Ayala, yung artwork book art pala. So ayan po yung habang naghihintay ko kasi 3 PM pa naman po yung schedule ko at maga naman ako nakapunta dyan. So yan, nakimarites muna ako kung ano makaganapan dyan. So meron silang mga pag-giveaways for every 500 na bibilin mo. Ayan, pwede ka makipag-participate at ayan yung mga prize na marireceive mo if you're a lucky winner. Tapos ayan po si Uncle nagmekos-mekos. So ang bibenta nila dyan is beef noodles. So natuwa lang ako pagmasdan siya. So ayun, nagmekos-mekos na si Uncle. Tapos since Chinese New Year po, ayan, binidyoan ko na po yung mga Chinese zodiac sign. So ayan, nag-start na po. So ayan po yung tour guide nila. Pakinggan po natin ang story tungkol sa
shopping. Doon kami mostly na-associate, but we do have our cultural assets din naman, but majority are in the population area. So I would like to thank you po first for your interest in our art team walking tour. So our art team walking tour, this is a special kind of tour that we will be offering starting today up until Feb 18. So ganun lang siya, but we have our other tours as well. Ito forever na ito. So we have the Poblacion Heritage Tour, we have the Weekend Markets Tour, and the Classic CBD Tour. If you'd like to join the other tours as well, you can look it up in our website. So it's makaturismo.ph. And then we have 2 tourist desks. So we have one in Glorieta too, malapit sa Holiday Inn. Okay. And then we have another one in Museo ng Makati. So doon nyo po pwedeng inquire lahat sa makikita yung info about our other tours. Okay, so Makati, before we became the financial capital of the Philippines, Makati was a swampland. In fact, tinawag siyang walang kwenta in the year 1571. So it was the early Spanish colonial period, and si Don Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, Governor General of Manila at that time. Wala pang wala pang Makati, Pateros, Manila pa ang tawag nun sa lahat, sa mga kalapit na city. So he was passing by the Pasig River, and then he encountered a swampland na tinawag niyang Worthless. Then he asked the natives there kung ano yung pangalan ng lugar, but unfortunately kasi he was asking in his native tongue, which was Spanish. Kasi siyempre tatanong niya Pilipino. So hindi sila nagkaintindihan. Instead of answering his question, they answered him back, halika, kumakati na, which means low tide. So Makati came from the word kumakati, meaning low tide. So yun, ang nire-refer ng mga natives doon is naglo-low tide na raw yung Pasig River. And then Makati, little did the former Governor General know that centuries later, Makati would become the land we called Worthless would become Makati City, so the financial capital of the country. So we have 200 billion pesos in terms of assets. Dati Makati yung nasa top pero naunahan ni QC. QC
lawak naman si QC eh. Diba?
Malaki. And then in terms of population, there are around 600,000. Pero umakit pa po ito ng 4 to 5 million because karamihan po kasi both foreigner or Filipino either nagtatrabaho dito in Makati or nagninegosyo. Especially dito sa CBD area, mga headquarters ng mga kumpanya dito, meaning pati makatrabaho dito. And isa sa hindi ko po madedenay na lapse ng Makati is the traffic. Dahil po sa then currently we are in the Central Business District area. So the estate was primarily developed by Ayala Land. So ito po yung pininiwalang pinakamatandang kumpanya sa Pilipinas. It was founded in 1834 by of course, the Rojas family and the Subeldean family. So yun po. Ayala. So one of the newest projects of Ayala Land. Ito, ang goal nila is to make it yung parang all-in-one establishments na. So, apart sa main malls na siya, may mga kainan na rin. Andito rin po yung karamihan ng mga transportation hubs natin, like bus terminals, may mga jeepneys daw po, and there's close to the MRT. And then, another feature of this is the rural stair. Pero hindi natin siya makikita yung mas nakarangan ng mga bus. So, may mural arts po doon. So, inano ko na lang picture na lang.
Okay. Nakita ko nga doon sa gilid.
Off the wall, Manila-Paris connection. So, it's made by, the artworks were made by Filipino and French mural artists. So, nag-collab sila.
Si Carapata.
Opo. And then, I believe inano to in-oversee ng French Embassy. Sige po, pwede po tayo. Last year lang, 2023. So, this shows the dancing of light and shadow, mirroring the Earth's orbit around us. Ito siya dati. Ito po yung dati itsura ng
Dapuan.
Yun dun po sa may harap, sa may Palm Drive. Pupunta po tayo dun mamaya para makapunta po tayo sa may Greenbelt area. So, this is to be the quad. Back in the day, si Glorieta dati, wala pa siyang buildings nun. It was just a park surrounded by food stalls. Parang Mercato Central siya dati. Ganun yung peg niya dati. But again, as mentioned, progress is excellent. Yun nga, kagaya nung kay Governor General Legaspi, hindi niya alam na magiging Makati kami from worthless to the financial capital of the Philippines. Si Glorieta, ganun din yung nangyari sa kanya. So, from a park surrounded by food stalls, meron na rin siyang sariling activity center, mga shops, restaurants of various cuisines, and of course, itong lugar na ito, so we're currently at the top of the globe. So, top of the globe is divided into two areas. So, we have the K-Park. Ito yung K-Park. So, Korean-inspired siya. So, Korean restaurant. And then they also have the hanbok for Korean. Diba? So, sa Glorieta, ito yung isa sa pinaka-pinupuntahan. Itong top of the globe. So, pwede ko tayong maglakan-lakan.
Wala ako dyan sa may K-Park. So, may nakita akong tatlong mga senior dyan. So, ayan. Ito yung mga Korean style. So, yan yung tindahan na yan. Pwede ka dyan mag-rent ng mga pang-Korean costume. So, ayun sila. Tatlo silang mga senior. So, bali yung nasa gitna is yung balikbayan. So, yung dalawang yan is mga BFF niya. So, nakakatuwa lang tingnan kasi nagbabanding sila as mga friendship. Tayo sa Korean. So, dito naman tayo sa Japan. So, ito yung Japan Town dito sa Glorieta. So, matatagpo nito sa 4th floor ng Glorieta 2. So, yan po. So, kung kayo po ay mapapagawi dito sa Makati, ayan, subukan nyo pong pasyalan. So, kahit hindi na kayo pumunta ng Japan, so, makikita nyo yung ibang portion ng Japan. Masyado na-explore. Sa bandang taas ka pala nagtatago, ha?